Are you thinking of starting an in-house drone department? At the current market, you'll spend around $300,000 just to build your in-house aerial data collection team and LiDAR capabilities, and $170,000 more every year just to maintain your licensed pilots, GIS specialists, and data processing software. With Force Aerial Solutions at your side, your company no longer needs to build an in-house drone department. At Force, we specialize in aerial data collection. Don't view us as a competitor, but as your drone department whenever you need it. Our best-in-class drone technology, software suites, and Trimble equipment provide survey-level accuracy on every project. Using years of experience and a proven workflow, Force completes projects in hours that takes a traditional survey crew days. This will save your company thousands that you can utilize in other aspects of the project.
Working with Force has allowed us to have access to specialized survey technology and in-house expertise that we simply don't have ourselves. It allows us to scale and diversify our project scope beyond what we could do ourselves for many projects. And their competitive pricing allows us to staff up when the projects require it without us taking on all that overhead cost ourselves.
With affordable pricing structure, Force allows clients to bid competitively on federal, state, and private projects. Need construction site updates, building corners, drainage inverts? Our crew knows how to collect accurate data and what it looks like. This comes from hundreds of project deliverables and 20+ years of traditional data collection experience. All of this makes us fast, accurate, and cost-effective, setting up your project for success.
First project went really well. Client needed about 4,000 linear feet of roadway on Highway 46, which people drive pretty crazy on that road. So I called and Force was happy to help. Needed some really accurate vertical data, and they had the LiDAR capabilities to do that. So it really saved us some cost. So it really was a good fit, and the client was really happy with the product that we gave them.
With access to mobile, static LiDAR, and manned aerial assets, Force continues to bring the best-in-class equipment and processing capabilities for all types of surveying needs. Our drone fleet and equipment are continually upgraded to meet your project demands now and for the future. So why wait? Send us your next project and let Force be your aerial solution.